This is the actual command you need to refer for the upgrade pre-verifier. If you want to do the uh, upgrade from the manual method, if you don't want to do the upgrade using the manual method, you are using the CPU's packaging part, you can, avoid, you can, not consider this step, because that is also, that thing only taken care by that process. I'll be going to show you that. So now I just want to, take you to the command line first before discussing more on here. Let me just, copy this guy, and let's go to the command line of my one of the management servers, say 192.168.1.102 for now. Let me go ahead and log in to the expert mode. Let me go to the expert mode, and let me clear up the screen. And here is the, the actual directory we need to go to run that command. So basically, the migrate server command is a command line tool which we use for the, basic things, to do the verifications of your upgrades. If you want to go from one OS to the another OS, the migration things, you will, get all the verification details with this command. So let me first go to this directory, and from there we'll, try to run that command. The exact syntax. So if you go into this directory, after this you need to write down the syntax to see the verification thing. So let me run migrate underscore server verify -v r81.10, and if I say enter, so basically it will, give you verification result, provided you need to have your all necessary tools to be in place. Right now it's giving me message that verification got failed. Okay, the verification operation completed with the error. Let me clear up the screen. If I say we should start the checkpoint services, let me say yes. I'll just show you some stuff here. So when you go to the release note, okay, here you will get something called, open server hardware requirement, or your appliance requirement, whatever you have right now with your environment. So consider you have open server. Actually, I have open server, but if consider you also have open server. So basically, you're going to see what is your minimum hardware requirements, disk space requirements. So if I say I want to go to the R81.10, I need to minimum free disk space which I need to have, which is 110 GB, which need to have free in my the space what I have with my management server. The minimum requirement is 110 GB, and the maximum recommended, which is 1 TB. Multi-domain we require 100 GB. Security gateway also 110, and VSX and all you can see on the screen. The important thing is also at least a 20 GB of free disk space is required in the root partition to start the update process. Okay, so this is also the criteria need to be met. Let me go back to my SMS, and I'll just show you what I have over there. So it's saying it is recommended to use the latest update tools package. So if you see that, I'm thinking that I don't have the latest update tools packaging. They only referring us to this SK, the one which we are currently checking in for the uh, upgrade tools things download. So these are the things you need to download uh, to have the proper packages with you. So right now I need to have this with my system so that I can run this upgrade well. So that is one thing. Let me go back to here. Uh, let's do this. Let's check what disk space I have right now. So if I say df space h, and I can see I have on the root part, this is the size of my root directory, and I can see it's only I have 14 GB available. So it's not, you know, it's not equal to the 20 GB is greater than that. So that one criteria got failed. And there is another criteria, we need to have 1 GB disk space free. So I think that we need to have here on the var log directory. And I can see I only have the 11 GB. That's why this criteria is also got failed. So due to that, this thing got stopped. It's not proceeded further.